Hi, I'm attorney Aldo Bolliger. I'm the attorney at this firm and I'm the one that's going to appear in court for you. You've probably heard of lemon laws and you probably think maybe it's easy enough to bring a lemon law claim. And while it should be, unfortunately often that's not the case because manufacturers hire attorneys to appear at lemon law hearings, and if a consumer is not well informed and understands how the lemon law actually works and is able to represent himself or herself well at such a hearing, even though the case may be great, it may be hard to prevail against a manufacturer that's adequately represented. If you have a lemon law case, I urge you to call me. I never charge for consultations, and I'll make sure that you have the proper information and, if needed, representation so that you can prevail on your lemon law matter. Don't go unprepared. Not too many people know about the lemon laws. For that matter, lemon laws, both state and federal, pay for your attorney's fee, so in most instances, my firm is able to represent you without any out-of-pocket costs or charges. If you want good representations and somebody that's going to fight for you, call me.